Hi, my name is David, and I used to manage one of the largest call centers in the country with hundreds of marketing agents. But I took the leap, and now I'm a small business owner in the solar industry. Recently, I looked at expanding my business to include a small telemarketing division to generate new sales and upsell to all of my existing customers. I looked at all of the options. To set up a designated server and all of the equipment to run it, I was looking at nearly $30,000. Hiring a telemarketing company was a huge expense with massive setup fees and ongoing costs per scheduled lead. Purchasing a software dialer system would have cost thousands, not to mention the cost of calls that they were going to charge me for as well. I soon realized it was expensive, and no matter which way I looked at it, it was going to cost me money. One thing that really played on my mind was the phone bill and the monthly expense. Wish I could get a phone plan like the unlimited calls on my mobile phone plan. And then it hit me. Why don't I build an app that does everything a dialer system can do? I know how they work, and utilize my unlimited mobile phone plans. That way, my staff aren't confined to a desk. They can actually walk around. Actually, that allows staff to be mobile so people can access it from anywhere. This will allow me to hire people to work from home all over the country. So I hired the services of my good friend Avi, and together we created Contact Call Tracker. With my experience and his skills, we added everything important for any business. I use it every single day to generate leads and sales, and now we've released it to the public. Check out how easy it is to use. You manage staff here, campaign management, unlimited campaigns, import data here, assign marketing staff here, questions and answers, email autosender, call monitoring, statistics, report manager, call logging, and much more. Check out the app. Staff log in here. Your data gets loaded to here. Tap to call. Staff registers call status here. Status picker. Staff confirms details here. Automatically send emails. Ask questions here. Predetermine answers here. Press submit to complete call and return to data page. If you would like to know more about Contact Call Tracker, visit www.contactcalltracker.com.